I want to create a very simple hairstyle and I'm going to backcomb the crown area. I want to create sort of just a lovely little bouffant. So I take my little Patrick Cameron brush and I slice out a section on the crown. Now let's have a little look at how to backcomb hair correctly. Using the brush, the edge of my brush, I go gently into the hair and I pull away layer after layer down towards the scalp. So everything I'm doing is going down. So as I go down, I push it right down towards the scalp. Okay, let's have a little look at this closer up. So down, down, down. You can see each time I go down, I'm just removing a layer of hair at a time. There we go, one layer, another layer, and so on, until I've got the desired amount of backcombing I want in the hair. Now, once again, repeat that. Take your neck section, roughly around about sort of 1 to 2 centimeters wide. Go down. That's our first pass. Then our second, our third. And as you can see, each time I go down, I go right down towards the scalp. Now you just decide how much hair you want to backcomb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from the crown area and we're just going to backcomb this literally probably down towards the occipital area. You don't have to backcomb all of the hair. Once I've done my backcombing, what I start to do is I start to sort of brush it and open it up. And I sort of start to use my hands to really sort of open the backcombing up. Now what's really important, and we want that younger feeling to the hair, is not to overbrush it. Don't make it perfect. Can you see as I'm working, I'm just sort of brushing around very gently on my top layers, but you can still see that the backcombing is still quite rough in the hair. Once I have my back combing there and I've started to smooth out, I'll just use a little bit of my hairspray. And I run my hands over the back combing with the hairspray. And this gives us a nice finish. Now at the back area, I just twist the hair. Look at that. I twist the hair going towards the occipital area, creating almost a pleat in the hair. Taking our hair grip, just run the hair grip straight up the pleat like so, taking a little bit of the pleat, the twist, and the underneath hair. Now once I've got that there, I'm going to create a foundation. So I'm going to take a few hair grips and just start to crisscross them into a little bit of a foundation at the back area. And you'll see why I'm doing this in a minute. Once I have that there, I then come to the very front area and I gently start to pull the front area back, just sort of blending it in with the hairstyle. And I'm going to pin this into place. And I'll pin this on top of the hair grips I've just put in. Now you can still see the bouffant has a very rough feeling to it. Again, we want that younger look with the hairstyle. Now I'm just going to pick up some hair. I'm going to take a hair grip and I'm going to lock it in and under the foundation that we created. So the hair grips just go in and under the foundation. Look, on the other side, I'm going to do the same again. This time, I'm going to bring it a little bit over to the asymmetric. So I pin my foundation. I take a hair grip. I open the grip. I go through the hair that I want to grab, and I simply put that under the foundation that I created. It's a very natural way of working. It's very soft. It's a very strong way of working, and it works perfectly for these sort of very sort of soft down hairstyles. There we go. You can see now just a very simple caught back bouffant. Our finished look. Just very simple, tumbling down with a lift at the crown.